Jawahar Tunnel on the Srinagar-Jammu highway has been shut down after a heavy avalanche hitting the region early Tuesday morning, creating a massive blockade and paralyzing civic movement. The avalanche hit the north portal of the Kashmir side in Kazigund area of Jammu and Kashmir. An IPS officer's brother was reportedly among 3 terrorists killed in a fierce encounter that ensued after security forces launched a cordon and search operation in South Kashmir district of Shopian on Tuesday. One of the killed terrorists has been reportedly identified as Shamsul Haq, who is the brother Inamul Haq, a 2012 IPS batch officer currently posted in the northeast. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari today inaugurated the 1.2-kilometer long Kidia Gandial Bridge on the Ravi River in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir. The interstate bridge was built at a cost of nearly Rs 150 crore in a span of 3.5 years, linking scheduled areas of Kathua district with Punjab. They said the bridge would strengthen the interstate connectivity besides giving a boost to the social as well as economical development of the people living in the adjoining areas. Rains lashed plains while higher reaches witnessed fresh snowfall in Kashmir for the second day on Tuesday as the residents of the valley continue to experience some respite from the intense cold wave conditions that have been witnessed this winter. Helicopter and ropeway services at Vaishno Devi Shrine in Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir were suspended following heavy snow and rainfall in the area. Group of unidentified masked men has robbed Rs 2 lakh from the employees of a petrol pump located at an isolated place near Dayani on Jammu-Pathankot National Highway in Samba district of Jammu and Kashmir. As per complaints, all the robbers had covered their face and they pointed 12-bore pistol at the staff of petrol pump and decamped with the money. Rains lashed plains while higher reaches witnessed fresh snowfall in Kashmir for the second day on Tuesday as the residents of the valley continue to experience some respite from the intense cold wave conditions that have been witnessed this winter. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday described NRIs as India's brand ambassadors and said they were the symbol of the country's capabilities. The Prime Minister was inaugurating the 15th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas convention in his parliamentary constituency, Varanasi. Modi also alluded to former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi's comment that only 15 paisa of Rupee 1 reaches masses and said the Congress government had done nothing to stop the leakage. Indian captain Virat Kohli resigned supreme as he swept all the awards on offer at the ICC Awards 2018. He became the first player in history to win the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy for ICC Cricketer of the Year, the ICC Men's Test Player of the Year and the ICC ODI Player of the Year awards following an extraordinary 2018. Heavy snowfall followed by an avalanche hit the dam site in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. Reportedly, the avalanche occurred near Pangeri area in Deccan, Kishtwar district, damaging link road connectivity. DC Kishtwar Angrez Singh Rana said that a massive snow avalanche had triggered around 35 km from Kishtwar last evening, but no human loss was reported. The agency engaged with Pakal Dul Dam have cleared the road. A group of 40 students from remote areas of Jammu on Tuesday left for the Bharat Darshan tour organized by the BSF, and their itinerary included interaction with the Director General of the Border Security Force and witness the Public Day Parade in Delhi. Inspector General of BSF Jammu Frontier N.S. Jamwal flagged off the tour from their headquarters at Pallora and said it is a great opportunity for these children to know about the rich heritage, culture and understanding unity in diversity of the nation. JKNPP chairman and former minister Harshdev Singh has said that the forest mafia has been violating the rules for felling care trees and keeping in stock the surplus care wood, and the inquiry committee was asked to complete the probe within 1 month. He alleged that no action has been taken in the multi-crore scam in the grant of licenses for Katha Industries in the past 6 months of the constitution of the inquiry committee. He accused investigating agencies of convening with scamsters to cover up the scam.